Hey there, my name is Chris, and for ETH NYC, I put together an app called SimpleOffer. Now, some of you may have used apps like Upwork, which work pretty well. However, once you have an established relationship, you're often getting hit 15% on every single transaction. So I wanted to see if I could put together a simpler version of that that didn't have the hefty fees and leverage smart contracts as the mediary between someone interested in an offer and someone that has a service to give. So right now, this app is hosted on Sepolia, and you can connect your Dynamic account and use this demo profile to create your own offer links and share them with other individuals. Production is just a different network, but it works exactly the same way. The first step is to create an offer. And as you can imagine, this could be almost anything you're looking to trade or looking to sell with a trusted party and have it be mediated through the SimpleOffer platform. So if you click fill demo data, it gives you an example. So let's say I'm a web developer, I have some bounty or some service I can do. I can essentially select a different payment structure or amount of stablecoin that I want to receive to initiate an agreement. For the demo, I'm just going to make it 1 PYUSD, and I can update the text here as well and deploy an offer contract. So what's happening behind the scenes is we're using Dynamic to create a smart contract for every single offer that's created on the SimpleOffer platform. And the beauty of that is that you're not commingling history of interactions. Your offer gets a unique trail of activity and user traffic that you can share on the web. So this offer page, you have this offer page, you can send this in email, you can put this on your Twitter, and now people can come in and engage with your page. But you'll notice here, I'm actually signed in as the owner of this particular offer. If I connected a different wallet, so let's say I went to this first wallet that's not the owner. So this would be like someone connecting via Dynamic to your checkout page. I can now engage with the offer and send a personalized message to the owner, and they'll be able to see it on their side of the platform. And so this is where PyUSD comes into play. We essentially do a reservation on that account. So the account needs to have the amount of PyUSD to make the transaction, confirm it. If you refresh the page, you'll see that the status of the engagement has changed and the owner is now able to get notified through the contract and an event gets emitted. So that could be listened to other platforms. So if we switch back to the other user, the owner of the contract, the owner gets a view of all the incoming requests that come in. So you can see here, hey, there was that message. This is actually preserved on that smart contract. Let's say I marked the work as completed. Now there's a second interaction that gets made on that chain, indicating each interaction with different buyers on that contract. And if you look at this particular transaction, you can see that the corresponding PayPal USD also transferred to the user underneath. Now I can show you the buyer side as well, but this is the core flow. You can accept any number of offers. I have some screenshots and some different examples of how it works, as well as some of the different technologies that are used underneath, but that's pretty much the SimpleOffer project, and thanks for your time.